What's going on, guys? Will here, and today I'm going to be talking about 6 different ways to make money on TikTok. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first way is pretty interesting, and that's because there's no minimum requirement, and it's basically using a site called Timebucks. Link is in the description. So basically, Timebucks is one of those get paid to do tasks like, surveys, click links, watch videos type sites. But they actually have a TikTok tab, and on that TikTok tab, you could get paid to use specific sounds and duet certain videos on TikTok. So obviously how much you can make does depend on your follower count and engagement rate. There's a formula, and obviously you'll make more as you grow and have a higher engagement rate, but there is no minimum requirements to sign up, and regardless of your follower count, literally with even 10 followers, you could start making some money this way. It's a good beginner way to get started with making money on TikTok. Okay, next up we have Shoutcart and other influencer marketplaces. So this generally does require a few thousand followers, not too many. It does vary from marketplace to marketplace, but it's usually, minimum requirement 5 to 10,000 followers. So basically it's selling shoutouts. So on the influencer marketplaces, you would list your account and provide some information about your account, like, your niche and the type of offers you want to receive. And then you basically make money selling shoutouts. Brands or individuals basically buy shoutouts off you. So some niches are definitely more profitable than others. For example, my entrepreneurial niche is probably going to get higher paying offers, and it does, than generic influencers. This is also more useful if you have a niche in general. I know not everyone does. I recommend this for a lot of ways. I'm going to have other videos about growing on TikTok, but anyway, this is about 6 ways to make money. But obviously when you have a niche, you will get higher offers the more targeted the niche is, because obviously advertisements are going to be more effective if your audience is all interested in one thing than kind of all over the place, So yeah, I mean, with barely 10,000 followers, you could be making 10 to 15 per shoutout with the right niche, and as you grow even more, and with certain niches, to be honest, even more. So yeah, Shoutcart is one of them I highly recommend, but there's many others which I recommend as well. So method number 3 is affiliate marketing, and I really like this one. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing actually is, it's when you get paid by referring people to certain products or services and commissions and whatnot. So as your TikTok grows, it's probably about a certain theme, right? I mean, I run an entrepreneurial page. I highly recommend that you guys have niche pages. It makes monetization way easier. But anyway, as that does grow, you build a following of people interested in specific topics. For me, it would be entrepreneurship. Other people might be fitness and whatnot. So you can then make content that pushes certain products or services related to the theme of your page, and you get paid commission on the sales you bring in. There's so many affiliate products for every niche. So, you add links in bio so people could get to your link, because obviously people have to sign up through your link for whatever the product or service might be for you to get the commission. And what's great is that you could actually make landing pages. There's a bunch of services like Easy Bio Link, Linktree, and whatnot, where you could create landing pages that bring people in one link in your bio and directs them to a page with all of your affiliate offers. And so obviously it's important to promote high quality products or services, because if you're just promoting stuff to make money and it's not actually quality, your followers are going to lose trust in you, making it very hard to have any influence on them in the future. So do remember that. So number 4 is funneling your followers to a YouTube channel. So obviously TikTok is an amazing source of organic traffic. I mean, it's one of the only platforms right now where you could be a nobody and just make good content and genuinely get hundreds to thousands of views. And it can actually be used to jumpstart growth on other social platforms such as YouTube. So with YouTube comes the ability to make money through ad revenue, something you actually can't currently do on TikTok. And also YouTube is a platform that has been established for over a decade, and obviously establishing yourself on such a stable platform is a good idea, because we don't know that TikTok will be around forever. So a good way to funnel your TikTok followers onto a YouTube channel is by making short form content on TikTok, about whatever it may be, but then announcing that you have more in-depth content about the same things on your YouTube channel. And then of course, as most of you know, right in your bio, you could link your YouTube channel from TikTok. So yeah, number 4 is funneling to a YouTube channel. So then number 5 is quite simple, and that is selling your own products or services. So once again, depending on your niche, your followers have a particular set of interests, and you could use that to your advantage and sell your own products or services. For example, I run an entrepreneurial page, so I could sell courses on making money online and whatnot. Someone in the fitness niche could sell a fitness related product or service, etc. Not too much more to say about that, but essentially, yeah, you could sell your own products or services as well. So then finally, number 6, artist and brand deals. And this is basically one step up from listing yourself on influencer marketplaces such as Shoutcart. So essentially, as you continue to grow, it actually won't be uncommon for artists and brands to come to you with promotional offers for money. I mean, I only have just over 10,000 followers now. I already have people coming to me directly. Furthermore, once your numbers get bigger, it's not at all out of place for you to go to them. So eventually, as you grow, you'll have offers coming to you. And that's why I wanted to end with this, because obviously it's not a good first step, but understand that making money is going to get easier and easier as you grow, and that should still be your main goal with TikTok at first. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video. 6 ways to make money on TikTok. I have a lot more content coming soon. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon.